Good morning, students. Today, day 13, 13th day class, and main problems in double derivative problems. Main problems these are. Just take more care on these problems. Okay. 11th one is if y is equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x, prove that d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. Up to now, what we did means just he is giving one function to us and asking find d square y by dx square, but not given any condition. That means the answer you have to show in this format, like that, not given up to now. Now from here onwards he will give some condition. The final answer we have to show in that format only. Okay, whatever it is, given one function asking d square y by dx square plus y means definitely the function we have to do 2 times derivative. Solution: y is equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. 3 sin x. Differentiate with respect to x. D by dx of y is equal to d by dx of 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. dy by dx is equal to 5 into d by dx of cos x minus 3 into d by dx of sin x. 5 into d by dx of cos x. dy by dx is equal to 5 into d by dx of cos x means minus sin x, minus 3 into d by dx of sin x means cos x. Clearly, dy by dx is equal to minus 5 sin x minus 3 cos x. 3 cos x. Again, differentiate with respect to x. Again, differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx of dy by dx is equal to minus 5 into d by dx of sin x minus 3 into d by dx of cos x. Cos x. So it becomes d square y by dx square is equal to minus 5 into cos x minus 3 into cos x derivative minus sin x. Taking minus common, what you get means 5 cos x. Actually 2 minus are here, 1 minus common means one more minus is here, 3 sin x. If you observe this expression, it is nothing but our problem, 5 cos x minus 3x. It is nothing but our problem. So d square y by dx square is equal to minus y, and therefore d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. Plus y is equal to 0. So already in example a cos x plus b sin x, like calculated na, this is to related that model. And first take the derivative of the function, first derivative test, that means first order test, and again we are doing the second order test also finally. So expressions comes like this. Once you have to check it, whether it is in our given problem or any calculation part, like that you have to check and simplify. Final answer we have to show in like this only. Okay guys, next one, if y is equal to cos inverse x, find d square y by dx square in terms of y alone. Y alone means don't show any other expression. The complete expression terms in y terms only. See that how it is. Solution y is equal to cos inverse x. Cos inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x. D by dx of y is equal to d by dx of cos inverse x. dy by dx is equal to derivative of cos inverse x minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. And one thing you do here, y is equal to cos inverse x means by using our trigonometric, inverse trigonometric rule, you can write x is equal to cos y. X is equal to cos y. Later it is very useful to us. Later it is useful. Now dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So this is right like this. 1 minus x square into dy by dx is equal to minus 1. Again, differentiate with respect to x. D by dx of square root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx is equal to d by dx of minus 1. D by dx of minus 1. It is f of x into g of x. Formula f of x into d by dx of g of x plus g of x into d by dx of f of x is equal to 0. Square root of 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx into 1 by 2 root of 1 minus x square into d by dx of 1 minus x square is equal to 0. Guys, observe it here. D by dx of root. Root means we are writing 1 by 2 root of x, but it is not x. That's why we are taking the continuation derivation for that. D by dx of 1 minus. Now, square root of 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx into 1 by 2 root of 1 minus x square into it is minus 2x is equal to 0. Minus 2x equal to 0. And 2 will cancel. What do you get, guys? 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus, because plus into minus, minus x by square root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx is equal to 0. What we did previously at the time of sin inverse x problem, like that, multiply with root 1 minus x square. Multiply with root 1 minus x square on both sides. So it becomes 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx is equal to 0. You got the answer 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx. But what he asked, whatever the answer it is you are getting, that answer should be in terms of y alone, means eliminate x. Eliminate x means don't show the answer in terms of x. Instead of x, we have to use what we calculated. See guys, here we calculate what is that? X is equal to cos y. That means in the place of x, take the cos y. Take the cos y. What do you get? 1 minus cos square y into d square y by dx square minus cos y into dy by dx is equal to 0. 1 minus means So sin square y into d square y by dx square minus cos y into dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay. Continuation. Sin square y into d square y by dx square is equal to cos y into dy by dx. D square y by dx square equal to cos y by sin square y into dy by dx. But dy by dx we have one value. What is that? D square y by dx square is equal to cos y by sin square y into minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. So d square y by dx square is equal to cos y by sin square y into minus 1 by square root of 1 minus cos square y. 1 minus cos square y. D square y by dx square minus cos y by sin square y into, it is nothing but sin y. It is nothing but sin y, because root of 1 minus cos square y means sin y. Now d square y by dx square is equal to minus cos y by sin cube y. This is the d square y by dx square. The resultant should be in terms of y alone, means like that you have to stop it. Once see that answer. Once see that answer. Next one, guys. That is 31. Y is equal to 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin of log x. Show that x square y2 plus x into y1 plus y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. What is the meaning of this, guys? X square y2 plus x into y1 plus y1. Y2, y1 means these are not a points, not a y coordinate points. First point, second point, not. Already beginning only I said in double derivative. D square y by dx square we can denote it with y2 also. Like that, first derivative, that is dy by dx, we can denote it with y1. So y2 means that is the d square y by dx square. Y1 means dy by dx. Sometimes he will ask directly here d square y by dx square and here dy by dx. Sometimes he will ask like this. So don't confuse about that. Y2 means y2 is nothing but double derivative and y1 means first derivative. Okay, now this is our problem. Solution. Y is equal to 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin of log x. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to 3 into d by dx of cos of log x plus 4 into d by dx of sin of log x. Sin of log x. Sin of log x. 3 into minus sin of log x into d by dx of log x plus 4 cos of log x